Hi everyone, my name is Ali, and along with my group mate Mujtaba, we are group number 12. And today, the topic of our presentation is the rise of generative AI and large learning models. And we will have a look over how this generative AI is transforming our business models today. So, over the next few minutes, we will explain what these generative AI and LLMs are and how they work. And most importantly, how they're changing the way businesses create, deliver, and capture value today. We'll also break down 6 business model patterns that are being reshaped by these technologies, and we'll finish with a real-world example from an OpenAI's ChatGPT case study. Next slide, please. So what is generative AI and these large language models? Let's start by understanding what generative AI and LLMs are. Generative AI refers to artificial intelligence that can create new content, for example, text, images, code, and even music. On the other hand, LLMs are a specific type of generative AI trained on vast amount of data, billions of documents, websites, and books to generate text that's exactly human-like. Now, think of tools like GPT-4, Cloud, or Google's Gemini. They take an input or prompt by the user and predict the most likely next word or phrase, allowing them to generate coherent responses, writing essays, solving coding problems, and even assisting customer service. These models are getting smarter over time with new developments every day. They learn from user feedback and improve through time tuning. Businesses are embedding LLMs into chatbots, content creators, visual assistants, legal tools, and many more methods that they use for business today. Now, some of the real-world examples of these LLMs include ChatGPT, which is writing a marketing copy, and Cloud is summarizing long research papers, and GitHub Copilot writing functional code from short user commands. All of these examples are truly and they elaborate what LLMs are and generative AI are doing right now. Next slide, please. Now let's look at some of the business model patterns that these generative AI are transforming. These patterns come directly from our course that we've studied in the management technology course, and they reflect fundamental changes in how companies operate. So first of all, personalization at scale. Generative AI enables businesses to deliver highly customized experience for every user. For example, Netflix can generate tailored movie recommendations and descriptions based upon the user's watch history. Similarly, Grammarly can adjust your writing tone based on the context and your previous writing structures. AI does this instantly and at a large scale. Next one is disintermediation. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper replace the need for middle layers like customer service agents or junior content writers. Businesses are moving towards AI-first interactions, streamlining operations, and reducing costs. A big example of these could be AI chatbots that can be basically seen over every business right now. You first talk to an AI chatbot, and if the problem is not solved or a query is not answered, then they proceed you to a human assistant. Next one is algorithmic value creation. Now, with generative AI, the value isn't created by people, it's created by the algorithms, basically. Jasper, for example, generates blog posts. Midjourney creates digital art. The AI is the creator, not just the tool. So all of these creations and these tools are based upon the algorithms, which judge past human behavior, their consumer habits, and their preferred content, and they generate tailored content based upon that. Now, next one is long tail. The AI reduces cost of producing niche products and services. For example, a YouTuber that is targeting a specific community can just use an AI to create a script, edit, and even animate their videos nowadays. And this makes it profitable to serve smaller and targeted audiences. And there's a lot of automated YouTube channels that are earning a large amount of money right now, and their content is completely developed by AI, from scripts, videos to animations, everything. Now, free as a business model. Many AI tools operate under a freemium model. For example, ChatGPT offers a GPT 3.5 access for free. And if you want an advanced version, which is ChatGPT 4, you have to pay for it. Similarly, Canva offers free design tools, but if you want AI enhanced tools or premium features, you need, such as Magic, right? You'd have to pay for it. And the last one is digitally enabled product services. Now, AI is embedded into existing tools to enhance them. For example, Microsoft's Copilot integrates GPT into Word and Excel, so you can directly access AI and call upon prompts in your Word and your Excel app. And this turns standard software into smart assistants. This will add tremendous value to existing digital products. Now, I would like to hand over the presentation to Mustafa.
Hi, so my name is Mustafa and I will be continuing the rest of the presentation. As you can see, these are some AI generative tools which are most commonly used nowadays. Moving on towards the case study, how OpenAI uses generative AI in businesses. So to see these patterns in action, let's examine OpenAI's ChatGPT as a case study. First is value creation. ChatGPT helps users write essays, summarize text, code, translate languages, and brainstorm ideas. It creates real, unstable output instantly. Then we have the value capture. So we know that OpenAI uses free, like a premium pricing model. ChatGPT 3.5 is free. The ChatGPT 4 is available through a $20 a month subscription. Uh, Moreover, OpenAI also sells API access to developers and licenses its technology to Microsoft, which integrate it into Word and Excel as a copilot. Then finally, we have value delivery. ChatGPT is accessible via browser, mobile apps, and it integrates with tools like Slack and Notion. It is easy to use and slackable, reaching millions of users globally in just months. So, OpenAI exemplifies how generative AI can support all three elements of business model creation, capture, and delivery. This is a small description of why businesses need generative AI policy. We can see from 1 to 9. Then moving on to the conclusion, the key takeaways. Let's wrap up with a few takeaways like generative AI and LLMs are more than just productivity tools. They are shaping new digital models. They enable personalization, automation, decentralized services, delivery, and the transmission of traditional tools into the intelligent system. The six model patterns we discussed were personalization, disintermediation, algorithmic value creation, long tail, freemium, and digitally enabled products are already being used across many industries. So companies like OpenAI, Microsoft, Jasper are not only using AI to do businesses, they are also building their entire value strategy around it. So in the end, I would just like to say that as future managers and innovators, it's our job to understand how to manage, apply, and scale these technologies. Thank you for watching with us. We are Ali and Mustafa, and see you soon in the workshop. Thank you.